Hello everyone, welcome to Zoom in Data. In this DP 600 course, you'll learn Microsoft Fabric from an analytics engineer's perspective, focusing on data modeling, DAX, performance optimization, governance, and building end-to-end analytics solutions. This series is designed to help you prepare for the interview while gaining practical, real-world skills. At Zoom in Data, we simplify complex data concepts through clear, structured learning to help you grow faster in your data career. Secure data sharing means providing users with the data they need while protecting sensitive and confidential information. Microsoft Fabric provides multiple security and sharing capabilities for reports, semantic models, warehouses, lakehouses, and other data assets. Sharing should be based on user roles, business requirements, and the sensitivity of the data. A secure sharing strategy balances collaboration, accessibility, governance, and data protection. Organizations need to share analytical information across departments, teams, partners, and business stakeholders. Uncontrolled sharing can expose confidential information or allow users to access data beyond their responsibilities. Security controls help ensure that users receive only the information they are authorized to access. Secure sharing reduces data exposure while still allowing teams to collaborate effectively. Fabric workspaces provide a controlled environment for organizing and managing data and analytical content. Workspace roles such as admin, member, contributor, and viewer provide different levels of access. Users should receive the lowest workspace role that allows them to perform their required tasks. Workspace-based access provides a foundation for securely collaborating on Fabric resources. Reports and semantic models can be shared with users according to their business requirements and permissions. Sharing should provide access to analytical content without unnecessarily exposing underlying sensitive data. Semantic model security can be used to control what different users are allowed to see. Combining report sharing with appropriate model security creates a safer analytical experience. Row-level security restricts the rows of data that users can access based on defined security rules. It is useful when different users should see different records from the same semantic model. For example, regional managers can be restricted to seeing data for their assigned regions. RLS supports controlled data sharing while allowing multiple users to work with the same analytical model. Object-level security controls access to specific tables, columns, or other supported model objects. It can be useful when certain information should be hidden from particular groups of users. OLS provides a more granular level of protection than simply restricting individual rows. Combining OLS with RLS can provide both object-level and row-level control when required. Sensitivity labels help classify data according to its confidentiality and protection requirements. They provide users with information about how sensitive content should be handled and shared. Labels can support broader Microsoft Purview information protection and compliance policies. Sensitivity labels should complement permissions and security controls rather than replace them. Sensitivity labels help classify data according to its confidentiality and protection requirements. They provide users with information about how sensitive content should be handled and shared. Labels can support broader Microsoft Purview information protection and compliance policies. Sensitivity labels should complement permissions and security controls rather than replace them. Secure sharing should follow organizational governance policies for ownership, classification, access, and data protection. Data lineage can help organizations understand where shared data originates and which assets depend on it. Auditing and monitoring can help identify unusual access patterns or inappropriate sharing activities. Governance ensures that data sharing remains controlled, traceable, and aligned with business requirements. Follow the principle of least privilege and provide users only the access required for their responsibilities. Use workspace roles, item permissions, RLS, OLS, sensitivity labels, and identity controls together where appropriate. Review sharing permissions regularly and remove access that is no longer required. Avoid sharing sensitive data through uncontrolled methods and maintain clear ownership and governance policies. Secure data sharing allows organizations to collaborate while protecting sensitive and confidential information. Workspace roles, report permissions, RLS, OLS, and sensitivity labels provide different layers of access and protection. External sharing requires additional controls, regular reviews, and clear business justification. A strong secure sharing strategy combines technical security, governance, monitoring, and least privilege access. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and contact ZoomInData for more content on Microsoft Fabric and DP600. At ZoomInData, we focus on clear, practical learning to build job-ready data skills. Follow ZoomInData for the full series and more insights.